President Baba, yesterday I think so TMC was able to make a big gain with the induction of Reginald into your party. How do you see this for the prospects of TMC in Goa?
You see, these are the new winds of change which are sweeping all over Goa to usher a new era. So, nobody should be surprised because people are looking for a credible, formidable alternative, and only TMC can give it. And I'm sure as the time goes by, you will see a lot of changes because many people wants to join the TMC. You must have seen today the vice president of the Porvorim block, along with sarpanchas, deputy sarpanchas, and panchas have joined. What does it mean? It means people across Goa are embracing this new movement called TMC, and I'm sure it will usher a new dawn for the people of Goa.
What was that thing that Luizin was able to convince Reginald?
You see, Reginald had been always my friend. He wanted his own space, his own time to take a decision, and I'm happy that he has taken a decision, and he should be very proud of his decision.
आता फाटल्या दिसांनी इज नॉट ओनली Reginald, Kiran Kandolkar, you have been able to get Churchill, his daughter also. So as far as elections coming closer, how do you see all these things?
I think more people will join. See, when you start a movement, and this movement, whether like the official language movement, statehood movement, I have seen movements in my life. I have led many movements. And this is one movement. You see, we just celebrated the Liberation Day. This is like a new liberation for the people of Goa.
According to you now, how many seats TMC can win with all these leaders, and still there are more leaders?
We are looking with the coalition, we are looking to win all the seats.
40 out of 40.
We are looking.
Well,
it is for the people of Goa to support us and to shower their blessings in this movement.
एक फिगर असतो सर कितला नंबर पळयता तुमी आता?
I cannot say today because it is a movement which just started 2 months back and is taking off.
आनीकूय फुडें वचपाचो आनीकूय येवपाचें आसा.
Of course.
What would be your message to the people of Goa when all these leaders are believing in TMC and joining them?
My message to the people of Goa, you see, I don't have to say anything. The constitutional head of the state of Goa, the governor said, this government is corrupt, it should be sacked. The governor wrote to the Prime Minister, but Prime Minister, instead of sacking this government, sacked their governor. Few days back, people are looking for employment. There is a massive unemployment. And what we come to know, and that is also the MLAs of the BJP, they came together to the public and they said that the jobs are for sale. That means the corruption is there at the government level. I am not saying, they are saying. As far as the corruption, governor is saying, the MLAs from the BJP are saying. The other day, the central minister, this is very condemnable, central minister for tourism has come and said, Goa is a gambling destination. They are proudly saying they have made this land, which is a holy land according to me. If you are a believer in the Hindu mythology, it is Parshuram who created this land. And they are saying this is the capital of vice capital with heavy gambling. This is a gambling capital. This is a drug capital. This is a prostitution capital. This is the sin capital of the country. Can you tolerate this? A BJP Union Minister for Tourism comes to Goa and says that Goa is a sin capital of the country and we are keeping quiet. These people deserve to be condemned. When they say this land of Parshuram, for Christians they say this is the land of Saint Francis Xavier. And BJP tourism minister who comes over here and says this is the vice capital, this is the sin capital of India. How can we tolerate this? Who are they to declare that we are the drug capital, we are the gambling capital, we are the prostitution capital, we are the vice capital? This is very, very, very condemnable, and I condemn it.
Are there more surprises in the next few days to come for
Of course there
TMC?
The Goans who respect the Goa's ethos, Goa's culture, Goa's heritage cannot accept this desecration in this land of Parshuram, land of Saint Francis Xavier, that people from all over the world come as a tourist destination.
What is your say about your earlier party now, from where even senior people like Reginald have left Congress and joined TMC?
Well, I think there is one or two left. They will also come as the time goes. How many are left?
Two.
Two. They will come.
So you are waiting for them also to come.
Wait and watch. You see, if any self-respecting Goans cannot continue in that party,
Why you think so, sir?
because what they have done for the last 10 years, people of Goa had showered their mandate to Congress. In 1999, we had given the absolute majority. This time, we had given absolute majority. And these people have made business and commerce out of the mandate, out of the trust, out of the faith. They are betrayed Goans. And therefore, there is nothing left there except the one or two leaders who are the architects of this betrayal.